Well, while you were sleeping, we were close to a record high, 65 degrees, which is some 30 degrees above average and just shy of the daily record set back in 1880. And if you don't believe me, yeah, it was around 2 in the morning. Most of us were sleeping, though that batch of rain may have woken you up with the wind as well. These are the daytime highs across the state. Very impressive for early morning, not even with the sun out. And now a little back to reality here, if you will. We're starting to see the impacts of that front that came through that triggered the rain and brought the wind with it. We got the cloud cover around, but way more bark than bite. We don't expect any rainfall with this. Certainly a different story along that boundary, as it's going to get pretty soggy over Atlanta here as the game unfolds. Although again, it's in a dome, but for the fans heading home tomorrow, going to have to navigate through that. This is our weather player coming in tomorrow evening in terms of the colder air, and that will give us a chance for some snowflakes before we wrap up the weekend. A little bit of sunshine there in Bunker Hill where it's currently 45. Even these temperatures, again, they're down 20 degrees from the highs we had earlier today, but above the average high even right now at 36. With the blanket around, we don't see us dropping too much. The breeze is not going to be as strong as it was much earlier. And then I want to take some time and talk about tomorrow. So this is Saturday morning, cloud cover around. Might have a few patchy showers, but the rain will be expanding over Indiana. By midday, it's going to be more of kind of a soggy setup, a cold rain initially, and then we'll tap into the colder air here, and this is by 7:30, 8 p.m. We'll start to see the changeover to some flurries and some snow showers that may have some decent snow rates with them tomorrow night into Sunday morning. Maybe enough that we get a dusting to locally 1 inch in these little narrow streaks, maybe enough to cause some slick spots here going into Sunday morning. And certainly this will be a big story too, wind chills that are going to be in the 5 to 10 range. So what we're trying to get you mentally prepped for is that Sunday we're going to be back to typical middle of the winter and January like weather for us here. I'll show you the 7-day forecast now. Before the rain gets in here, we get back into the middle 40s tomorrow, and then to see the temperature drop there going into Sunday. Back to bright, back to the 40s there for Monday, mostly sunny. Warmest day of the 7-day forecast looks like it's going to be on Tuesday. We get close to 50, and then we're back to chilly weather. But get ready for a little bit of a soggy day for tomorrow as we make it into the middle part of the day.